everybody, it's Dr. Baker. I'm here with Puspa, and she's expecting her first baby on September the 21st. So we're going to perform a pregnancy chiropractic adjustment. We're going to use a special pillow that we have here. So Puspa, go ahead and put the pieces in the puzzle, okay? Perfect. Is it comfortable for you to lie here?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, on the pillow.
Yeah, it is.
So tell the expecting mothers how it feels.
Feels so relaxed, like lightweight on your belly, because you get to relax your belly there.
Exactly. Okay, perfect. So we're going to do some adjustments here. And this is the beautiful part about this pillow. The patient can lie face down with zero problems. Because as you know, if this pillow wasn't here, we couldn't have her lie face down. So we're going to adjust her. Take a deep breath all the way out and right there. How'd that feel?
Yeah.
Great. Then right here, take a deep breath all the way out. Awesome. Very good. Okay, now we're going to remove the pillow. Good job. Excellent. So Puspa, what happens when you don't get adjusted?
You get a lot of pressure down here, sciatic
Yes.
pain.
Sciatic pain. The bad stuff. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's just relax. I gotcha. Relax and right. There. Good job. Way over here. Just relax. Awesome. Perfect. Let me help you up. Let's do your neck. Puspa. Awesome. Relax. Better. Better. Perfect. Tell everybody how that feels.
Good.
Great.
Look at that. Thank you.
You're welcome.